store sa Cubao. Ito po, ASMR. Tapos, tignan po natin kung ano yung nasa inside. Look guys, this is very aesthetic. It's food. Ano kasi food to? It's pure butter shortcake. Wow! Oh, English! Pure butter shortcake.
It's China.
China siya?
Yeah,
It's
gawa siya ng
China.
mga China. KKB.
China.
It's a KKB.
Oh, it's KKB.
Yeah. But
Tapos, ito po, it's a big notebook. What is this? Is this gonna be my sketchbook?
yeah. That's
Where am I
from
gonna put this? This is from China.
your mom.
Oh. My mom. My mom is very beautiful because she buys me things. Char.
What?
Sure.
And
What's
look-
next?
What is this? And look guys, look what my mom got me. Tissues. Wow!
哎呦我的妈！
Tapos, meron pa tayo dito.
Ano?
Wipes. Ano ba yung ako yan?
Okay lang yan. Sige na. Why wipes ba? Mga nabit ko sa shop na yun.
Wet wipes.
Yeah. Sige.
And, look guys, this is a ruler.
So cute. Patingin.
It's like a cut po.
Yeah.
Look at this. It's even my favorite color. Wow. You're so sweet, Mom. OMG.
What's
Look
next?
at this, guys. What is this? Is
It's a
this...
pose.
What is this? Is
Sticky
this...
note.
It's a sticky note. An egg sticky note.
So cute.
Just till you guys know, I love eggs. Because
Yeah.
eggs is
That's why I
healthy.
buy that. What's that?
Guys, look! Correction tape. I love correction tape. Tapos, pag ginamit po ang correction tape, mawawala po ang iyong mistakes. Pero, hindi po nawawala yung mistakes ko sa buhay pag correction tape ko. So, yeah. Look at this. We have more white. We have more tissues. And, wow, more wet wipes. Wow. Okay, guys, that's what is this? Oh, wow, a receipt.
How much?
How much? Let me see.
How much is the total?
400. It's 400. Okay, guys. So, we're up to the next one. Pero cute naman siya.